Here's how to convert WebM to MP3. I created an app for Windows and Mac called ConvertSave. You can find it at convertsave.com or in the description down below, and you can convert video files like WebM to MP3 just by dragging and dropping into ConvertSave. You go to Select Output and then scroll down and find MP3. And all you have to do is hit convert. It'll save right next to where those files originated from. And so it's that simple, convert, save. I went to my brother who's a software developer and asked him if we could create something offline where we don't have to upload our files to any weird sketchy websites. I can just drag and drop my files into an offline converter on my desktop and convert images, video, audio, video to audio, even combine images to multi-page PDFs, and ConvertSave can do all of this. And we just added some advanced settings in the select output area. There's an advanced setting gear right here. And basically you can add your own custom commands to these conversions that will take over the default commands. And if you don't know anything about adding them, we actually added this options builder right here, which allows you to kind of more user-friendly add and build your own custom settings for your conversions. So if you want to go down here and you actually have a certain start time and an end time that you want to trim the audio out of that WebM file to convert to MP3, you can actually do that and add your commands and then save that to apply it to your conversion. And so that is ConvertSave. You guys can check it out at convertsave.com. I'll leave a link in the pinned comment as well. I appreciate your guys' support. That's how to convert WebM to MP3, and I'll see you in the next one.